Let's package my most loyal customer's fourth order. Have to throw in a freebie for her support. This cheetah print matches my Vans.
Package order number 13506. Beauty blender box. Self-defense keychain. Sunflower cup. Thank you, Toyota. Packaging order 3046.
Let's pack order 21114 for Jesse all the way in Illinois. They ordered 2 packs of candy sticks, 4 roll-on candies, 2 slaps assorted, 1 bag of jelly fruits, 1 bag of the Fun gummy mix, 3 of the Sugarolly cotton candies, 2 of the Pooplets, Aftershocks watermelon and blue raspberry, 3 of the Cocoa Splash and Lick candies, 2 of the Harry Potter Magical Chews, 1 Candy Me Up drawstring bag, 2 gummy unicorns, 2 gummy donuts, toxic waste smog balls, and the large mystery box. Now let's go pack.
pack one of my biggest pin orders yet. She placed a few different orders and I'm gonna just ship them all together and pack them now. She got 6 of these. 7 red Valentine. Got 1 mouse ear pen. She got 4 bow pens. 5 neutral rainbow pens. 1 pink rainbow pen. 2 blue rainbow pens. 2 sunflower moo pens. 1 cheetah sunflower pen. 1 skipping through the daisies pen. 1 mermaid girl pen. 2 Rosie the cow pens. 4 tsunami heart pens. The rest of my sunflower cheetah pens. She also got a sunflower lanyard. Now I have to test every pen to make sure they work. Now we need to do a couple freebies. So I just made this cute little keychain because she obviously likes sunflowers. I'm gonna grab her a little cowhide star. Sorry, but I'm obsessed with the brown. So we'll do those 2. And shout out to my friend Lauren over at Carrie's Country Crafts for these cute chapstick holders. I'm gonna give her one of these. Let's pack it.